Starting your research using Quick Search. Quick Search is the university library's simple search box that retrieves results from several different sources simultaneously. Results may include books, articles, DVDs, CDs, journals, and magazines. Click on the library's homepage at www.lib.iastate.edu. Type in your search terms, keywords, or phrases into the quick search bar. Your search results may be in a wide range of formats including books, articles, media, and more. Each item on your results screen shows some basic information such as title, author, and publication date. To further refine your results, use the Refine Results filters found on the left side of the browser window. Click directly in the box next to your desired filter to apply that filter to your search. Check multiple boxes to apply multiple filters. Then click Apply Filters. Further refine your search with more filters by clicking Show More at the end of the different filter groups to expand the list of filters. Don't forget to click Apply Filters to ensure your results update. When exploring your results list, clicking on an item's title takes you to its description page, where you can learn more about it. Citation generates an item citation in a variety of styles, but always double-check against the style guide, because they frequently contain errors. Permalink generates a direct link back to this item's subscription page. If it's an electronic item, there may be multiple available links on the description page. You can select any of them, but make sure the available from dates include the time period that your resource was published in. Details provides you with some citation elements, a list of subjects, and description if available. If it is a physical item, the call number will give you the location of the book in the library. If an item is not in the library or available online, you can request it through interlibrary loan. To return back to your search results list, click on the large arrow to the top left above the item record. If you have any questions, please contact the library. Our contact information is found at www.lib.iastate.edu. Ask a librarian or use the live chat feature on our website to connect with library staff in real time. For more research help, go to Research and Teach. Help with research. Then Tutorials. Like this video and subscribe to the Iowa State University Library channel to stay connected with library services, events, and helpful research content. Thanks for watching.